In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Straighten Tool in Photopea. If you've ever taken a great photo only to realize the horizon is tilted or a building looks slightly slanted, this is the quick, reliable fix. We'll use Photopea, a free, browser-based editor, and straighten a photo cleanly while keeping as much of the image as possible. Start by opening Photopea in your web browser. When the workspace loads, choose Open from Computer and select the image you want to correct. Any standard photo will work, like a JPEG or PNG. Once your image is open on the canvas, look to the toolbar on the left and choose the Crop tool. This not only lets you crop, but it also reveals the straightening controls we need. At the top, in the Crop options, click Straighten Layer. This tells Photopea that we're about to define what level should look like. The way it works is simple. You draw a guideline on something in your image that should be perfectly horizontal or perfectly vertical. A horizon, a tabletop edge, a roof line, or the side of a building are great candidates. Click to start your line, drag along that edge, and release. Photopea instantly rotates the layer so the line you drew becomes truly straight. You'll probably notice transparent corners around the image after the rotation. That's normal because the canvas hasn't been cropped yet. Now adjust the crop box. Drag the handles to frame your photo the way you want, trimming away any empty areas while preserving your subject. Take a moment to balance composition here. Leave a little breathing room around key elements and watch for important details near the edges so you don't accidentally cut them off. If your image has a clear horizon, lining it up with the grid inside the crop box can help you double check that it's level. When you're happy with the framing, click the check mark in the top options bar to apply the crop and rotation. Photopea will commit the changes and remove those transparent corners. If the result isn't quite right, don't worry. You can undo and fine-tune the line or the crop as many times as you need. That's it. You've straightened and cropped your image, giving it a clean, professional look. To recap, open your photo, select the Crop tool, choose Straighten Layer, draw a line along something that should be level, refine the crop, and confirm with the check mark. With a bit of practice, you'll correct tilted shots in seconds and keep your compositions looking polished and intentional.